Avatar makeup? Let's do it. First, I'm going to paint my whole face blue. Who else is excited for the new Avatar movie? I want to go and see it this weekend, hopefully if it's not too busy. Avatar is definitely one of my favourite films. I did even do an Avatar look last year. I even got a shout out from Zoe. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some light blue to highlight. I know I'm kind of looking like a smurf right now, but we just got to trust the process. The trick to look more like an avatar is the nose. So I'm going to use this lighter shade to highlight, but I want to make the nose look quite wide. So I'm going to make this line quite thick. Comment who your favourite Avatar character is. I don't know if I have a favourite, but I love the animals. And I know the animals might not really be classed as a character, but I love animals. I'm one of those people that watch animal documentaries in my spare time. I'm going to start to contour the nose a lot wider on the sides and into my crease. And then you see how it makes my nose look a lot wider. Now I'm starting to draw out the lines on my head. It's reminding me of that blue cheetah look I did. Or was it a leopard? All these different shades of blue are definitely reminding me of sadness. I'm just doing some eyeshadow, using dark blue all over my lid. I did some shading on the body as well. I'm adding some pink eyeshadow on my nose. I'll put some of that pink in the centre of my lips. Now I'm going in with some dark blue eyeshadow all around the edges of my mouth, on those inner corners right there, on the centre of my top lip right there, and then along the bottom. I added some white to my waterline. Now I'm just adding white detailed dots all over my face. Adding the yellow contact lenses. Let's see if I can do this on camera. Oh, come on. Oh, I did it. Oh, no. Okay. Adding some lashes. I did a few braids and added a few little like hair accessories. Last year's look, I made these little cardboard ears. But this year I've upgraded. So I've got these elf ears I got off Amazon. And I'm just going to hook them on like that. So much better than the paper ears. I do have a bigger version as well, but I don't know if I should use these ones instead or if they're too big. While I decide, I'm going to paint the rest of my body. So who's ready to see the end result? Okay, here's the end result. Honest thoughts, what do you guys think? Do I make a good avatar? Oh my gosh, I love it. I feel like a part of the movie. Tell me you love Avatar without telling me you love Avatar. I hope this doesn't stain me blue. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Let's do Phil's Pick My Christmas Makeup. Eyebrows first. Okay. I just used a pomade just to fill in the centre part here and added a little bit on the ends. Eyeshadows next. Ooh, what's it gonna pick? What? Added some baby blue to my waterline first. Then I'm gonna do some white on my inner corner and along my lash line with a wing. Now I'm going in with this blue eyeshadow base all over my lid, joining up to the wing. Same blue along my bottom lash line. Eyeliner next. Come on. Okay, filling in the black part of the wing first, and I went ahead and did my inner corner. So I've added a white wing liner right on top of that black. Then I'm just going in with some red face paint to add the red line. Now for the freckles. Come on, hopefully this will... Oh, snowman. It kind of goes with the eyes, I guess. For the snowman, I've got some white face paint on the end of my brush, and I'm just doing 2 circles. I've done one here, and then I'm going to do a smaller one right on top of that. Just adding all the black details on the snowman. Let's do his hat and his little buttons. So I'm doing red paint on the hat for the ribbon, and I did a little orange nose. Snowdrops. Last of his lips. Oh, no! I'm going to use red face paint because I feel like it will be a lot more vibrant. Add in the green bow details. Who's ready to see the end result? Here's the end result, guys. Be honest, is this a cute or a fail? Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Can you do red, white and green for Christmas colours? And can you do gloss as well? Okay, let's do it. I have got some more white, so I'm going for this shade of red and this shade of green. I absolutely loved the rest of your comment. I remember when you were at 900 to 1k, and I absolutely adore being able to watch your videos and your channel grow. It's because you grow with them and you make everything in life a thrill. I love you so much. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much. I hope you have an amazing day as well. It's Christmas, so let's start off with the red. Taking some of it on my brush, and then I'm gonna go right here on the edge, just like that. I'm bringing it a lot closer into the center this time so that I get a really nice blend. White next. We're gonna pop this in the center. I'll do a generous amount of the white. And up here. I gotta try and move as quick as I can with this because I don't want them to dry and set. Otherwise it's gonna be really hard to blend them out. Last up we got the green, and I'm gonna pop that right here on the end, right there. Okay, now we mix. It's a bit dry. Okay, so we cleaned it up. All cleaned up. Here's the end result. I actually love this. It's such a good color combination. It's so pretty. Let's add the gloss. So I'm gonna go in with this MAC lip gloss. It's just a clear gloss. And gently glaze this over because I don't want to ruin the ombre underneath. Ooh. Oh no. Okay, I need to be careful. Okay, here's the end result. Honest thoughts, what do you guys think of it? Comment and let me know what other colour combination you guys want to see, and whoever's comment gets the most likes is the one I will do next. Let's do some candy cane makeup. Going in with a few layers of Elmer's glue, set in with some translucent powder, and then cover it up with some concealer, setting it with that translucent powder again. I've marked out my brow shape. I'm just going in some white face paint to fill it in. Okay, so I'm just doing like hair strokes all the way through. Now I'm going in with some red paint to do the red lines. Lines in the middle, lines at the end. I put this white eye base down first all over my lid. And this is the eye look that I'm going for. Let me show you how I did it. So I put red in my inner corner going into my crease. And I'm slowly tapping outwards. I've created a new lash line along my lower lid. And then I'm bringing it out into a wing to blend it out even more. And with black on my inner corner again, going into my crease. And I'm gonna go along the red line in black as well. Doing a white wing liner. One hand, stay steady. I'm going in with foundation. Again, feeling brave, so I'm going in with a bit of a white concealer too. Oh, it's actually blending out nice. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Heavily contouring my nose because I want that cute little button nose. Adding some red powder blush, white eyeshadow to bring back some of that highlight. Adding some white freckles. Do some bottom lashes using that white face paint. Add in a mix of red and black eyeshadow around my lips. Add some red lipstick. Going in with the cream paint stick on my neck. Blend, 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 blend. I've marked out my red lines. Hopefully they look good when I fill them in. Setting all of that with a white translucent powder again. I'm trying to put my lenses on now before I do my eyelashes. I don't know if to go with white or red. Come on. I did it, I did it. Whew. Now for the white. Here we go. I painted another pair of lashes red and I'm gonna stick these right on top of the white ones. I need to put on this wig and add some finishing touches, so who's ready to see the end result? Here's the end result, guys. I went with the white contact lenses. I am obsessed. I made the headpiece myself. Round of applause. I made a YouTube Shorts tutorial on how I made this headpiece. I've linked it in the description for you guys. The white did turn out kind of patchy, which is really annoying. I tried to layer it up as much as I could, but I know you guys are always super honest with me, so comment and let me know what you think of this candy cane look. How did I do? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Time to go wipe this off. Bye. The Grinch makeup. Let's do it. So I'm starting with the Grinch nose first. I'm just putting some liquid latex right above my lip. Oh, this stuff stinks. Going with some kitchen tissue. I just folded it and ripped it into pieces. The first layer is gonna go right here. I don't know if this makes a difference, but I'm just ripping the edges of the tissue so that it's not like straight harsh lines, because I feel like maybe it will blend better when it's time for me to paint over it. Now I'm adding some latex a bit higher up and on the sides. I hope this works. Going in with the next layer of tissue right here. The last piece of tissue, and then we're gonna curve this one to go down like that. I added a few more layers of tissue, so I'm just covering the whole thing in latex. It's my first time trying to make something like this, so I'm just kind of playing around. You have to be careful with this latex near your eyes though. I can feel the burn. Now I'm going in with this bright green paint. Why do I look like I'm turning myself into some sort of dinosaur? A Tarasaurus. What should my dinosaur name be, guys? Using this darker green shade to contour because I want to be a snatched Grinch. Now I'm using this yellow shade for concealer down the nose, bringing it all the way out here. Gotta hide those eye bags. Doing a bit of nose contouring just down the sides right here. Now I'm gonna add the little nose button right about here, I think. Yeah. Half part. Fine details. Doing the dots. Filling in my green brows. Time for eyeshadow. Taking a dark green, packing it on my outer corner, and then going into my crease. Adding a yellow eyeliner pencil to my waterline. I'm adding a bit of glitter to the eyes, because who doesn't love a little bit of sparkle? Now I'm going to do an eyeliner wing, and bring it in. Drawing on some bottom lashes. Time to do the body. Adding a bit of shading with some darker green eyeshadow. Add my lashes. Powder my body so it doesn't transfer anywhere. I want to add a few light green streaks in the lashes. Let's attempt to put some yellow lenses in. Oh, that was easy. Look what I got. Who's ready to see the end result? Oh my gosh, guys, this is the end result. It actually looks so good. But honest thoughts, what do you guys think? How did I do? If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. What I get in a week of PR? Let's get into it. First up, I got this package from MAC. Is some lipsticks. I don't know if it's just me, but I love the smell of the MAC lipsticks. Okay, next we got this 5 Minute Face by Milani. So we basically got everything you need for a full face of makeup here. I've never actually used Milani products, so let me know in the comments if you tried them and what you think. Next up is STAFFORD. Got a shampoo, hair tonic and conditioner. It smells really good too. Am I the only one who always has to do like a smell test on everything? Okay, we got a box from CIATÉ London. What is this? So it's a 24-piece brush set. You can never have too much makeup brushes, right? The brushes and the case are vegan. Guys, they are so soft. I see more pink. Got some skincare from Skin Proud. We've got a Bright Eye Gel Cream, a Clay Cream Cleanser, Gel to Ice Hydrator. Oh, this one is pretty heavy. FENTY Beauty. I have no words. Well, I do have words because I'm talking, but I feel so spoiled. And guys, you know how much I love the handwritten notes. Okay guys, last up we got this big boy. And look, it's been personalised. It's got my name on it. So thoughtful. This is from River Island. Okay, here's the goodies. I've never tried any of these brands, so I hope they're good. Next up. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? It's a mini DIY wreath kit. I don't actually celebrate Christmas, but this would make such a cute gift. The star of the show is this River Island Beauty Advent Calendar. Apparently it's filled with £290 worth of goodies. So there's 24 doors in here. I've never actually had an Advent calendar. We're already on, I think, the 18th of December now, so I'm kind of late. I don't really know how these things work, so am I supposed to open all the boxes up till the 18th and then carry on from there until Christmas? Someone comment and let me know and maybe I'll do a separate video opening them. But for now, that's everything for this week. Thanks for watching.